Okay, just a very quick one today. I've started work on the text box input, so I can now select a text box so the cursor knows which text box it's in. We can now add text in here. We can remove text and spell it correctly. And this just updates the buffer. There's a buffer set. You can delete the start again. A few things to do to it still. At the moment I can't navigate with the arrow keys, so I can't go back into the text and set the cursor back into the text if I wanted to add a letter because I'd spelled it wrong, which I always do, or something like that. So the next thing I'm literally just started to work on is that. So yeah, this has been a bit of a challenge. This is quite complicated to get this to do that on screen. Everything else is still working nicely. I've got the buttons are all working nicely. It's all this is going to be another part of this input bit. Will then be able to get input for these DragFloats and input boxes, etc. So yeah, it's coming along. So just a very short one to update where it's got to. Like I say, I'm working on being able to move the cursor up and down the text for adding in things, and I at some point presumably I should need to be able to sort of double click it and highlight a word to delete it and such like. But yeah, there we go. It's moving along steadily. Thanks for watching if you did.